So this time something different, not really a broadcast tutorial, but maybe you can use it. I was at home trying to play Xbox, but my girlfriend also wanted to watch TV, so I needed to stream the Xbox to my Mac, because I didn't have any other laptops laying around. And I used OneCast to do that. It's not a free program, but it has a trial that you can test out. So first let's download OneCast. I will leave a link in the description. And just install it like most of the Mac programs by dragging it into the applications folder. Then we open it, and as you can see they have some pointers on how to optimize the stream to your Mac from the Xbox. So this is the program, and I have my Xbox on the same network. I'm using Wi-Fi because I didn't have any cables lying around. And then we just need to log in with our Xbox account. And this can take a little while because it needs to find the Xbox on the network. And there we have it. I only have one Xbox, but you can have multiple on the network. Let's connect. And this is my Xbox. It's on very high settings, and sometimes you need to set it to lower settings, especially if you're on Wi-Fi, to get it playable. So here I logged out again and set it to low, just to have an example how that looks. And here I am playing Assassin's Creed Odyssey. And I wouldn't recommend doing multiplayers on it, because it will have some frame stutter, especially if you are on a non-wired connection. But for single player it works kind of well, and now I can play Xbox while my girlfriend is watching TV.